Hey, this is Eric Miller with Wright Realtors. I'm out here at Heritage Lake at a floor plan called the Rosewater. It is a 2-bedroom house. Let's take a tour. Much of the paint colors and stuff can be customized if it's under contract in time. This particular one is sold, so every one's going to be a little bit different from another. And depending on when it's under contract, you can pick out as much or as little as you would wish. So coming inside, you've got one of your bedrooms over here with a small closet. And then you've got your full bathroom here, guest bathroom. This plan has 9-foot ceilings. This is a laundry room, as well as your garage entry. Fully finished and insulated garage. And you got a water softener plumbing there if you would want to do that. Kitchen, dining room, living room combo. This is a big open space, so it's really nice. All the counters and flooring and everything is pretty much standard. These are soft close doors and drawers. All appliances are included in these. You can see it's just a nice open floor plan. In this particular one, it's got a nice backyard. The patio here comes standard as well, but that can be customized to be bigger if you would like. Moving on, this is the utilities. So you got your water heater and your furnace in there. And then you've got a big storage room here. Going into the master, you've got tray ceilings, double window to see outside, and then you got your master bathroom. The master bathroom has a double sink, a large walk-in closet, and a stand-up shower. Concludes our tour of the Rosewater plan out here at Heritage Lake. If you're interested in other new construction plans, be sure to reach out to me. My contact information is in the video description, and I've sold more than 100 properties out here at the lake in the last 24 months. Also, if you want to see other new construction tours, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.